welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make banana muffins with instant cake mix. Here's what we need: chocolate chip bananas, oil, egg, walnuts, water, and instant cake mix. Now we're gonna put the water and some oil and some eggs and we stir it. Now we're gonna put the batter aside and we're gonna mash the banana. Yeah. So after mashing the bananas, we're gonna put the bananas in the batter. Now we whisk. Next, we need to prepare cupcake molds like this. Now we're gonna scoop the batter and we're gonna pour it into the cupcake molds. Now we're gonna put the chocolate chip and the walnuts for decorations. Now ready to pop in the oven. Now we're gonna ask help for mommy to put it in the oven. Now this is our banana muffins fresh from the oven. It smells good and smells nice. Now we're gonna try the banana muffins. Yummy. So there you have it, our banana muffins made with instant cake mix. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aleena Wonders. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye! It's so difficult. It's hard.
The action.
Now, we're gonna set cups.
2,000 years later.
I think it's a lot, but it's not that easy. I hope it tastes good. I can play. I'm trying.
Again.
Now guys, I wish you can try the banana.
Say what you want to say.
Hi guys.
Bye, guys.